guys, Markel here. Hopefully you're having a great day today. Right now I'm vlogging on my DJI Osmo Action 2 and I'm using the selfie stick with the remote, which is how I'm controlling the camera right now. So with that being said, I want to show you guys some clips from my trip that I went on yesterday to El Peñol and Guatapé. Now there wasn't a very good day to actually film because there wasn't a lot of sun. So you're actually seeing the footage from a cloudy day. Now I really do like this camera. I know some people don't really care for the form factor. Some people don't like the image. They think it's trash overall. I will say I do think it's overpriced at $520. I will agree with that. But for me, I'm having a lot of fun with this little camera. I can use it in places where I can't use my GoPro. Where I normally would take my Insta360 Go 2, but I get a much better image, in my opinion, than I would get from the Insta360 Go 2, which only shoots up to 2.7K, where this can actually go up to 4K at 120 frames per second. But I primarily use it like I'm using it right now in 4K 60. I have a horizon balance on, even though I'm using this in tripod mode, because it crops in a little more. That fisheye look, not too crazy about that unless I'm shooting outside and I'm trying to show something. Like I was showing the river and all the boats and all that stuff out there. Cool, I'll put it in wide angle. But for selfies like this, I'd rather put it in 4K 60 horizon balance where it punches in a little bit. And even then, I'm still pretty wide, as you can see on this video. So with that being said, guys, this is a great camera. I did catch mine on sale for $429. And what was it, on Amazon? I caught it for $429, and then I caught the selfie stick that I'm using this remote on for 50 bucks. So I paid $479 with taxes. It ended up being like $530 something. But because I live in South America, I had to add another $200 to that. So I ended up paying around $730, $740 total to get it here. But in the States, yeah, I would have paid like 20 bucks more just to get the selfie stick and the camera. So there are deals out there. You just have to find the deals, right? But taking away the price, just the image quality overall, the size of the camera, they have done a lot of improvement since I watched the original video when it comes to the transfer speeds, when it comes to battery life. For me, battery life has not been bad. It has never overheated on me, but I'm actually in a climate that's actually springtime year round. The highest it gets here in Medellin, Colombia is around 81, and the lowest that it gets is around 62, 63. So I'm never really in a situation where this has overheated on me. So I just wanted to make this quick video, man, and show some of these quick clips and the different ways that I use the camera to let you guys know that this is still a great option with the magnetic setup, and where you can clip it to any surface that's magnetic, man, it's great. I just think that people were expecting the original form factor when it comes to the Osmo Action, more like a GoPro, and they were looking for that to improve. But I actually really like this camera, and you're gonna see a lot more on this channel from this camera. I'm gonna do reviews all throughout the year about this camera, as well as my GoPro Hero 10 Black, as well as my Insta360 Go 2. But this, I'm just gonna do a variety of different shots where I don't have to take off my GoPro on a chest mount and do videos that way. All right, guys, with that being said, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, I'm out. Peace.